Hello friends, welcome to another of my quick tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching us how to create this basic horizontal scroll effect on Figma. So I have my list of images here, my horizontal list here, and I want to be able to scroll through this list. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a frame of the same height as my images here, which is 56. And I'm going to bring my frame here. Then I'm going to layer it above the image till it fits. Then I'm going to reduce the pass-through of the layer to 0. The next thing I want to do is I want to lock the frame. After that, I'm going to duplicate my screen. After I duplicate, I'm going to drag this down. I'm going to drag this like this. Yes, then yeah, that's it. So when I scroll to this point, I want this my list to scroll to this point. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to prototype this. I'm going to prototype in the logged frame. So I'm going to be prototyping the logged frame, which is this. I'm going to prototype the log frame. I'm going to set this to on drag. I'm going to set this to push. I'm going to set this to easy out, and I'm going to smart animate the layers. And I'm going to repeat same thing for this also. I'm going to set this to on drag. I'm going to set this to push. I'm going to set this to easing out, and I'm going to smart animate matching layers. So yeah, let's play it and see what we got. Yeah, so yeah, it works. Yeah, it works perfectly. So my scrolling effect works perfectly. Yeah, that's how to create a basic scroll effect on Figma. Thank you.